Kilusang Mayo Uno or KMU. Kilusang Mayo Uno or KMU, translated as May First Movement, was established on May 1, 1980, during a period of martial law under Ferdinand Marcos. The union was founded to advocate for workers' rights and to resist the oppressive political climate. KMU operates nationwide, focusing on labor issues, human rights, and economic reforms. KMU's leadership has evolved over the years, with various notable figures contributing to its growth. The union is known for its collective leadership approach, emphasizing grassroots involvement and direct action. Recent leaders include Elmer Bong Labog, who has been instrumental in spearheading numerous labor strikes and protests. KMU has achieved several milestones, such as successful negotiations for wage increase and better working conditions. It also played a significant role in advocating for labor legislation, including the fight for a 750 pesos national minimum wage and the opposite to contractualization, or locally termed ENDO. The union faces significant challenges, including legal restrictions and political repressions. The Philippine volatile political environment and accusations of communist affiliations have often led to crackdowns on KMU activities. Economic barriers also persist, with many employers resistant to union demands. KMU is known for its broad membership base, spanning various industries from manufacturing to services. The organization also collaborates with international labor groups and local human rights organizations to amplify its advocacy efforts. Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, or TUCP. The Trade Union Congress of the Philippines was founded in 1975, and it's one of the largest labor federations in the country. It was created to unify various labor unions under a single banner to strengthen collective bargaining and labor representation. TUCP's leadership has been influential figures like Democrito Mendoza, who served as president for several decades. The current leadership under Raymond Mendoza continues to push for improved labor policies and worker protections. TUCP has been pivotal in various legislative successes, including the passing of the Republic Act No. 6727, Wage Rationalization Act, and advocating for the Republic Act No. 11165, Telecommuting Act. They have also succeeded in numerous labor disputes, securing better wages and working conditions for their members. TUCP faces obstacles such as internal factionalism and competition from other labor groups. Legal and economic barriers also persist, with slow governmental response to labor issues and resistance from businesses. TUCP has a diverse membership, representing workers in industry ranging from agriculture to IT. The organization also engages in international partnerships, working with global labor organizations like the International Labor Organizations, or ILO. Federation of Free Workers, or FFW. The Federation of Free Workers, or FFW, was established in 1950, rooted in the principles of Christian social teachings and aimed to promoting democratic and independent labor movements. FFW operates across the Philippines, advocating for workers' rights and social justice. FFW has had various notable leaders, with current President Attorney Sonny Matula playing a crucial role in expanding the Federation's influence. Matula is known for his legal expertise and dedication to labor rights, contributing significantly to FFW's advocacy efforts. FFW's significant achievements include successful labor negotiations and implementing labor legislation. They have been instrumental in pushing for labor rights, enshrined in the Philippine Labor Code and have actively participated in various social dialogues and tripartite bodies. Challenges for FFWs include maintaining its independence amidst political pressures and dealing with the economic realities faced by its members. Legal hurdles and the slow pace of labor reforms also pose significant challenges. FFW is known for its commitment to democratic principles and has a membership that spans various sectors, including public sector's workers, teachers, and industrial workers. The organization also collaborates with other labor federations and human rights groups to further its goals. Each of these labor organizations has played a critical role in the labor movement in the Philippines, contributing to significant advancement in workers' rights while facing substantial challenges. Their leadership, achievements, and persistent advocacy continue to shape the landscape of labor rights in the country.